Medster.
What?
Go.
Oh, I start. Okay. Okay.
You want me to start?
No, I'll start. It's all good.
No, I'll start.
No, I'll start.
No, Alright. Hey guys, this is VMAX, and today I'm going to be playing some more Roblox with my friend Medster.
Medster! Yo, what's up? I'm Medster.
And today we are going to be playing some 2-player Combat Mining Tycoon.
Yo, restart.
Okay. Hey guys, this is VMAX, and today we are going to be playing some 2-player Mining Combat Tycoon, and I am joined by one of my friends, Medster.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Medster.
And we are going to be, well, I already said, but don't push me. But he is the worker, and I am the owner.
Yeah.
So yeah. And we might.
I'm gonna start the mine.
And if you guys want to help us out, subscribe, and all that stuff, don't leave any hate comments, please.
Yeah, we love what we do, and yeah.
Don't send any hate comments at all. Remember, top notch. Ooh, you should buy
I think the worker earns more money than the owner.
I
think.
I have 20 cash.
Oh my gosh, things are so oh, that.
Ooh, that was not that expensive, probably. Somebody said, my hands are up. My mouse!
So guys, this is my first Roblox video and my first collab, so...
Well,
cool.
second actually. Because remember the other one?
Well, for me, it's my first. Because I actually did a video with him. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description.
It was the other one we did.
What?
It was the other one we did, remember?
Yeah.
So,
I just want to check.
and this is, and when we do Roblox, this is going to be like a series for us.
Well, yeah, I'm going to put this as a series because my main game is
Minecraft. Same with me.
Yeah. But
since my Minecraft hasn't been working for a while, and I just got to work, I've been doing Roblox and Minecraft. When I hit, once I'm about to hit 1 mil, I'll do, both Minecraft and Roblox. Will you?
Well, you have to get your Minecraft to work first.
Yeah, then we can collab on Minecraft. But for now, we're collabing on Roblox. I want to move my webcam a little bit. Crap. Oh my gosh. Move my webcam. Oh. Woo! I'm spinning my webcam around on my screen. I'm just gonna set my webcam
Oh my gosh, there's someone right here. Hands
there.
up!
I know.
How do I do that?
I don't know. Okay, as you guys can see, there's my cash, but hold on, let me just.
I can't.
I was talking to mine.
Oh my god, he's gonna kill me! Help! 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 Help!
How?
Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Hands
Kill
up!
him.
I can't.
Kill him.
I can't. Oh my god!
It's true, I can't.
How do you get that? Oh wait, I have Robux. I forgot.
No, you're not. You're gonna buy stuff?
Oh, I need 2 more Robux. Dang it. I can't even get 10,000 cash.
Oh my gosh, there's something down here.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's my stuff. Okay, don't come down here. This is the work. Oh my gosh, things are so expensive. So I can buy
Just stay down here. Stay down here. He's coming. He's coming. He might be coming.
Okay. I can buy a speed coil, gravity coil, and a regeneration coil.
Nice. Oh crap, he's still here. Hold on. Slash Leave. Leave us alone. We are recording.
Filming. He's still gonna do it. he doesn't care.
And film. Well, yeah, just recording. And please sub to us. My channel name is Madman Maddox, and his is Medster.
Sir. Stop! I'm gonna kill you. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
What did he say? What is he gonna say? What do you think he's gonna say?
Look at my effects. Look at my effects.
I love your channel. So,
I don't think that's real.
I'll donate to you. JK.
No. Want it?
We wanted you to donate to us, bruh. We'll donate to Ally. Send. What was his name? I'm perfect, cool boy man. I'm perfect, cool boy man. Medster? Medster? Hello? Medster? 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 Hello? Medster? Hello? Medster? Hello? 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 Medster? Medster? Hello? Medster? Medster? Hello?